Everyone tells you viral shorts are about fancy edits, glitch effects, zooms, emojis. That's not why shorts go viral. That's just what bad advice looks like. Most shorts don't fail because they're boring. They fail because they're confusing. If the viewer doesn't understand what's happening immediately, they swipe. YouTube doesn't care how long you edited. It doesn't care about effort. It only watches one thing: what the viewer does next. Viral editing is not about adding more. It's about removing friction. Anything that slows understanding kills retention. You have 3 seconds. Not to impress. Not to explain. Just to make the viewer understand what this video is about. Great editors don't ask, "What can I add?" They ask, "What can I delete without breaking clarity?" Jump cuts don't look fancy. They work because they reset attention. They remove dead time. Text on screen isn't decoration. It's guidance. It tells the brain where to focus and what matters right now. Viewers don't think first. They feel first. If nothing feels interesting, no amount of effects will save it. This graph decides everything. Not likes. Not comments. Retention. Most editing advice teaches techniques. But YouTube ranks outcomes. That's why copying edits rarely works. Every cut should answer one question: does this make the viewer stay longer? You're not competing with creators. You're competing with the swipe. If scrolling feels easier than watching, you lose. If your short needs explanation, it's already dead. Viral shorts aren't edited harder. They're edited smarter. And omit visuals to directly match each spoken idea using whiteboard drawings, simple icons,